Hello and welcome to Jilster, an open, online, and free platform for you to create magazines, books, posters, and photo collages together. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new here, thank you and welcome to the makerspace. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an account and how to change your language settings. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you already have an account, you can go in and log in, but if you don't, we're going to click this button that says create an account. So first we need to register to start our story. We're just going to put our name. We're going to call us Jilster Makers for now. Then we're going to put in our email, and we're going to confirm the email. And then simply we're going to choose an 8-character password and click the terms and conditions and agree to be informed about all the news and tips. And then this blue button says create an account. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Super simple and very easy. Okay, so now that we have an account, we can have some fun. So let's click the Make a Design button. We're going to select a magazine and start creating. Now, before we go, I just want to show you how to change the language settings within your account. So let's go back to the overview and click on the settings button. And right under language, we can switch to Dutch or German. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can start your story, whether it's a farewell group 8, birthday, company highlights, anniversary, yearbook, wedding, or any life-changing event. Always remember your story matters, and Jilster is always here to help you collaborate in capturing and sharing stories that matter. See you next time.